Welcome back to another episode on the birding voyage. Today we are at the Santee Lakes in San Diego County. It's kind of East County, San Diego. And be here for the next couple hours and see what we can see. It's a beautiful day, lots of birds out, so it should be a great time. It's a gray-tailed grackle. It's an American coot. It's a mallard. Here are some northern shovelers. It's an American crow. It's a spotted sandpiper. It's a black phoebe. It's a great egret. It's a few snowy egrets. I think that's a bufflehead. It's an American white pelican. Great blue heron. There's a Nana's hummingbird. It's a European starling. It's a mourning dove. It's Cassin's kingbird. Looks like some cinnamon teals there. It's a ruby crown kinglet. Looks like a common yellowthroat. California scrub jay. Sparrow. Song sparrow. It's a red-winged blackbird. There's a Nuttall's woodpecker, male. It's a black-crowned night heron sleeping. Downy woodpecker. It's a house finch. Common raven. Ruddy duck. It's a wood duck. Western bluebird. It's a white crowned sparrow.